Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Online, can you hear me? You can send it in chat, right? Maybe they can't send it in chat. Okay. Online people, can you hear me? చాట్ ఆప్షన్ రావట్లేదేంటి? వాళ్ళు సెండ్ చేసిన మెసేజెస్. ఒకసారి అడిగి చూడు, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు మెసేజ్ పెడితే మనకు తెలియదుగా. హ్యాండ్స్ రేస్ చేస్తున్నారు కానీ మెసేజ్ పెడితే తెలియట్లేదుగా. Online people, can anyone just send it in chat if you can hear me or not? I think they can't raise their hands. They can't text. ఎందుకంటే ఎవడైనా ఒక్కడైనా పెడతారుగా. అది నార్మల్ గా వేరే క్లాసుల్లో వేరేగా ఉంటాయి కదా సెట్టింగ్స్. ఓన్లీ డెమోస్ కి ఇలా వస్తుందా? సరే ఒకసారి అడగండి. మరి ఎలాగా? మరి చాట్ ఎలా పంపిస్తారు? ఓకే. Okay, online, I think chat option is disabled for you. It will come, don't worry, in 2 minutes. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Good. Now, at least this side, what about last? Did you guys had a lunch? Oh, seriously, every day without lunch? Very bad, Ray. You can skip dinners, not lunch. Now online people can text. Okay, instead of hi, that is good anyway. Now, did you all remember what we discussed yesterday, sir? Raise your hand if it is first, if it is your first class. Oh, as usual, majority always good. I always wonder this. I know. If anyone is having any discussions, you can have discussion after class, na? Because it will be like movie theater. I can't, whatever I speak, you can't hear. Whatever you speak, I can't hear. That's the only problem in that. Anyway, every time in every demo class, there will be bunch of people who comes and disappears in the next room. I don't know what will happen to them. Let's see. Okay, if it is your first class also, no problem, sir. And we will slowly understood everything. Okay. Now, even though if it's your first class, understand it. Every day in this demo classes will be a new class. It won't be interlinked. So whatever I speak on yesterday, those things, it may have a little touch, but it won't be completely dependent. You can still understand. Okay. Now I think yesterday I think I told you there are some people like ICSE children, school children will learn this HTML and all, right? So if you think about it, sir, it's not a big deal that being elders learning this course, right? Right or not? Okay. Let's see. That's a mixed yes. Now, now, sir, for the people who came yesterday, can able to do a small task now. People who did not came yesterday also no worries because in this small task you will get the thing repeated. Okay, and online people can also attempt it. Let me start some nice quiz. Okay. Now online, I will give one link in the online. You can start a quiz, sir. And this quiz is completely based on what we discussed till now and a small touch of what we're about to discuss. Okay. And it's a normal interactive quiz, sir. There is nothing like I will give you prize if you give the right answer. Okay. And I won't give punishment if your answer is clear. Yeah, even the online. I'm sending the link online. You can join it. This is just in a simple activity. Let's see anyone joins or not. Serious there, no one joined. Only one person joined after 343 people in online. Very good. Many people joined. Let's start it. Let me also start, sir. Uh, what's your name? Hemant. Hemant. Now let's start it, sir. Now this one is so simple, sir. Even in online people can see on the screen, sir. It is so simple. Now first, a drawing, chart, diagram, painting or photograph which is stored in a digital format. What it is called? Multimedia or graphics? Graphics. What is about multimedia? An audio or a video? That is sixth class question, right? See, Samir and SK answered it nice, and I lost it. Answer it wisely, guys. I don't want to lose again. A way to web pages, a way to link web pages together and allow users to move one inline location to another link. What is that? What is that? Using hyperlink to navigate from one page to. Very good. Remember that till we discuss hyperlinks. Now, the information in the web is stored in the USB drive. Uh, good. Is there anyone true? Hey, hey, usually false will be right side, now. I just see it there. Okay, anyway, Choto. Now, website. A website is a software that sends information wrong. Web software application that integrates files with desktop. No. A single page within website that has a unique name. Okay. That is kind of good. But that is the difference between a web page and website. What is web page? A single file. What is website? Group of pages. Group of pages, not group of files. Clear? Yeah, next one. The movement of text and animations. Right or not? Huh? Okay. I think I can do strike. That means I can reduce someone's score. Oh, Kameshwari. Anyway, she is 0 and now she is to minus 200. So bad. Now let's do software that sends information that is stored in files along internet hardware. What is that? See it here. Software that sends information. Which is the software here? Web browser. Huh? Hey. That is web browser only. I just gave it a wrong one here. Now, next one. A web browser translates the text-based HTML into graphical. That's true. Okay. Okay, whatever it is. 67th position I am in. A web address box is not part of a web browser. False. It is part, right? Web address will be inside the web browser only, sir. Now, how many questions are there? Oh my god, 20 are there. Now, consists of words, letters, numbers, and other symbols. Text contains text or multimedia. Are you sure about it? Oh, okay. Strike. Who is this girl? Okay, she is already completed. That means whatever. Online, is it okay? Like how to join your quiz session? Sir, you can join it by using, you can just click on this text. I gave you link in the online. You can check it, ma. Contains information such as text, graphic, video, or animation that is stored on computers hardware. Oh, obviously in your system, right? Yeah, that's tricky. Quickly, we will complete it very quick. Don't worry. Now, Sai Chalagula, he is top ray. Now, next one. What is this? Okay, he gave one option to correct it. What is the website? A, B, C, D. What is that? Paka? Good. Then next. World Wide Web is a software that sends information that is stored in files along with the internet's hardware. True or false? There will be always some people who says false, right? Even if I say 2 plus 2 is 4, some more people will say false. Right? Now, chhod do. Now, let's take shield. Now, something school website, is it a commercial website? No. False. So, some websites are commercial and some websites are not. Now, same question repeated twice, right? That's what the wrong it is. Chodo. There are so many questions wrong, guys, even in online. Don't worry. Online, can't you hear me? Online, can you able to hear me? Even IIT papers will have wrong questions, right? Chhod do wo. Now, the main page on the website contains general information about sites such as introduction and list of other pages. Home page. Good. Then next, what is that? I was petrified. Memes. Now, sir, HTML is used to create the web pages. True or false? Good. If anyone says false, they can leave the class. Because I'm not teaching for you guys. Now, next. Text and graphics are used by web designers to add text on the website. True, Ray. We will make it for interest only, now. Okay, I don't know about memes much. Let's go here. The integration of elements such as graphics, text, audio, video, animations, interactivity. Huh? Multimedia? Yes, good. A single file within a website that has a unique name. Web page. Good. What is this? Problem with games. They will give you more things. The internet and the World Wide Web are same thing. False. Internet and World Wide Web are not same. What is the difference between Internet and World Wide Web, sir? Internet means a network of networks. All networks will be connected. But www means through this internet, what piece of information you are sending it. What piece of information you are passing is actually a web, World Wide Web. Now, it is the software that connects to create massive worldwide network. What is that? Internet. Now, that's it. Now, I think online is also it's clear. Now, let's start our main class, sir. And Sai Chalagula is on the top, sir. Very good. Some questions were wrong, so that you don't need to go with that. Yeah, come. Let's start our sessions. Online, can you able to see the screen? Online, can you able to see the screen? Ah, yes, 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 yes. Good. Now, sir, till now, everyone focus here. Whatever you understood till now, sir, these were very, very important for start web development career. Whether you are developing front end or back, always focus in your mind that you are building a website which makes someone's business work. Right? In previous classes, sir, for the people who ever not come, you can take the previous classes in links even in the admins. Offline can take it by admin. Online, you will get it in chat. What I told you is every stage is important in web development. Start onwards. For first web designing. People will do nice designs. Each and every color will have that impact. Then slowly, slowly we will go into more depth, right? Now, let's just have a quick revision of everything what we discussed, then move into, in today's class, sir, we will see what is HTML clearly, how it will be done. We will see what is CSS clearly. We will see how it will be done. We will see what is JavaScript and how it will be done in a just a quick surface summary. Okay. And tomorrow we'll start our first HTML project. Okay. Now, did you all download VS Code, sir? Yeah, that is important. Now, the first one. What is this? Okay, how can I put it full? Yeah, online you can able to see the screen, ma? Still? If you can't hear my voice, you can tell me. Yeah, it is front end summary. Yeah. Now see, sir, let's start it. The first one, you must have to start your web development journey. Two things. It's not recommendable all you see. You can use any code editor you like, but I prefer in this course VS Code. Okay. So I also recommend you to use VS Code, Visual Studio Code. How to download Visual Studio Code, sir? www.code.visualstudiocode.com. And yesterday's class I just explained. Okay. And don't worry, at the end of the session today, one more time I will show you how to download it. Okay. Now, one more thing. Where you will see the websites, browser we need, and you must have to download one browser, sir. And most people will prefer something called Google Chrome. Now, let's start our journey of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now, we started our journey. What exactly happens when you type www.google.com in this browser? Did you remember it? In browser, there will be one place called address bar, sir. Inside the address bar, I just typed www.google.com, sir. Okay. Now this google.com is there now. www.google.com. It is called domain. What it is called, sir? This www.google.com is called domain, sir. So now I am searching this domain. But actually, what will be typed, sir? If you give www also, automatically HTTPS. Did you see it? The hypertext transfer protocol will happen. And the total one is called URL. What is it called, sir? Okay. Uniform Resource Locator. The moment you type the URL in your system, what will happen? Let's see what will happen. The moment you enter, sir, here, for example, this is one website, and the moment you enter this website in your URL, first, wherever you are searching, that is called client, sir. Wherever your website actually hosts, that is called server. Now, what will happen? First, client request the server. See, client, what it will do? Request the server. Inside the server, the website is there. Now, huh? What? Someone said something? Now, sir, how the server and the client will be declared? Each one will be have their own IP addresses, sir. Their own IP addresses. Now, how did it exactly know that IP address only? There will be one guy named DNS. Yes. DNS will help the clients to find the actual address. Okay. Now, the address will be find out like that. Okay. With the domain name. For example, instead of helloworld.com, you can type that address. Now, the moment address was done, then this client requests the web page, and then server will respond the web page, and automatically client will read. Client means your web browser will read HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and will show you on the screen. Any doubts in this? Any doubts till now, ma? No. Clear? It is so simple, sir. Now, this action we can see it in Google Chrome also. Now, what is the process exactly in web development here? Yes, DNS stands for domain name system or domain name server also people will call it. Online, if my voice is not, you are getting, let me know. Okay, go slow. Is my voice is okay for you online? Just focus on. Yeah, good. Okay. Let me know if I'm going fast. Okay. So that again, I will go somewhat slow. Accent will be fast, fine. I can repeat it for you. Okay. The only thing is when you speak upon some things, the accent may go fast. But still, I will repeat it word by word if you want. Okay. If you don't want to say also, just raise your hand. Then I will understand it. Online, I can't see if you raise your hand. But offline, you can raise hand. Just let me so that I will understand. Okay, I'm going something fast and I will let you know. But these were basic, right? Still have any doubts, ma? Clear. Okay, let's move on. Today you will get so many doubts. Now let's see. Now, first thing, sir. Did you guys ever played if the internet is not there in your web browser, you will get something this kind of game. Dinosaur one, right? You must have done that. Sir, from a basic site, you are making something incredible. Okay. Now anyone can see, anyone who has a pencil can draw, right? But only artist will know how to use that pencil. That's the difference, sir. Okay. Just because you have the pencil, you bought the pencil with 3 rupees, you doesn't become, an artist. Even you bought the exactly have, you can't become, right? Even though he is not having pencil, he can make a big art. So it all depends on you. Okay. Now, all I can do is give you that pencil and tell you how to draw. Okay. Some people may stop at drawing with doodling only. Some people may did some big paintings also. It's all about you, right? Now, but you can create an enterprise. One day you will build a site that will change your life. Or one day you will build a site that will make you promote. Or one day you will build a site that will give you some money that will help in difficult situations, right? Not only web development, you can go for app all also once you understand basics. Now let's see, sir, how it will be. Here in the web development, two particular things, sir. One is browser on which you will see the site, and one is server on which you will store the site. Browser is called client, which shows, which is just for showing your website. Okay, client is a place where you will store the website. That means you need to buy some space. Clear, ma? Clear? Yeah. Now, next one. Now, let's start it. First one. These were the logos for HTML5 and CSS3 and the JavaScript, the official logos. You may have seen it so many times, right? Right? Sir, we will go in depth of HTML again, sir. In depth of CSS when we started our CSS class. In depth of JavaScript when we started our JavaScript. Okay? But I am just touching the surfaces now. Clear? It's like the warm up when you are about to do the exercises. Okay? Now, let's start it, sir. What is basically HTML? Anyone from the boys? What is HTML? Hypertext, markup, language. Good. Now, you will go to interviews and they will ask you the question. What programming languages you know? HTML. They will say bye bye and you will come home. Because HTML is a markup language, sir. It's not a programming language. So what is difference? First thing, understand markup language is completely different from programming languages. Raise your hand if you know any programming languages. No, you don't need to know completely, but at least you know basic. Raise your hand if you know basic, at least any programming language. Good. Okay. At least 10% of the people are there. Now, sir, markup versus programming. Sir, the point is the people who ever raise the hand, they will know this one. In programming languages, you will have conditions. You will have actions based on conditions, right or not? If this is this, if it is true, do this. If it is false, do that. Right? Some logic will be there. Something to take a decision making will be done, right? But in HTML, there is nothing like decision making. Okay? In programming languages, if you do some error, it will not able to understand what is what is the what you are expecting, right? It will just give error. I can't run it. So you have to rectify the errors and you will run it, right or not? Right? Am I clear so far? Yeah. In HTML, there are no errors. HTML, as I told you earlier, HTML is like the painting. If you give a kid paper, if he draws whatever he wants, that is not error. He don't know painting, that's it. Right or not? Right? So HTML will act anything you write. Okay. If it doesn't know, it doesn't show. Okay. Only if it knows, it shows. If you give terrible design, it will show you terrible design. That's it. It will not say rectify and all the things. So that is why this is called markup. Mark means just to showing up. Okay. And last one of the major importance difference between markup languages and okay, I think online my voice is not clear for some people. Just check it. Now, sir, first one, no decision making. No. No decision making will be there. There is nothing like errors. Now, sir, programming languages, where you will write? Where you will write your programming languages? On? On editors? Yes. What editors you will use? Eclipse is called IDE, right or not? Do you guys know that word IDE? What is that full name? Integrated Development Environment. So that means you will do compiling in that, right or not? Wherever actually you can write Java programs in Notepad also. You know that, right? If you save it .java, you can run it in command prompt. That's how in colleges they used to do. Now, sir, whatever the thing you took, whatever it is, you have to compile the programming languages. You have to run the programming languages. But this one is not having anything. You know why? Because browser will show you where your HTML file run in browser. Where your HTML file run? Browser. Where you will write? Where you will write HTML? Visual Studio Code. Sir, you will write it in code editor, sir. You can write it in Notepad or anywhere. And it will run on browser. It will run on browser. If I don't have browser, can I see a website? No. Keep it in mind. Now, let's go, sir. No compile or run. Clear ma till now? Till now clear? Yeah. Online his voice is coming still like that. It just what happened? Voice is it still clear or is it? I know it is clear for you, Ray. Online, I'm saying it. For online, little bit breaking, but okay. If it is clear, just adjust it. I will show you later. Okay, I will check it the settings later. Now, for majority, it's clear. I'm taking that. Now, sir, let's go, sir. Next one, go. Okay, we understood what is markup, what is programming. Our HTML is a markup language, sir. So when someone asks you what programming languages you know, don't involve HTML. But what web technologies you know, HTML is there. Right or not? Sir, initially, there used to be something called GML. Generalized Markup Language. Okay? Then, they started with something called SGML, which is called Standard Generalized Markup Language. Okay? But later people developed, sir. They invented something called HTML. What is HTML, sir? Hypertext Markup Language. Now, after a lot of journey, we came to HTML5, sir, now. Majority of the versions we will discuss, version HTML3, HTML4, that also we will discuss. Okay, in 5 only few features are added. That features we will discuss at the end of HTML. Okay? Clear, ma? Now, let's go, sir. In market, actually, there used to be something called XHTML, DHTML. Don't worry. They are not, they existed once, but they were deleted. People, that's not a success one. Now, let's start it here, sir, again. What is HTML? We know that hypertext. What is hypertext? Earlier we did in one quiz. In that it came hyperlink, right? Hyperlink means what, sir? Changing of rotation. Location. See, hyperlink, changing of the location. That is exact definition actually. Sir, that means I am in one website. Let's go here. I am in Amazon. Now here, which page I am in Amazon? Home page. Right or not? Sir, if I click on this, what will happen? I am going into mobile pages. I'm going into mobile pages. Now see, sir, Wikipedia. Now let's go search for Shahrukh. Why this is Shah Rukh Khan. Now, see, sir, this is one page. But the moment you click on any one particular part, again it will go to another page. Or in that page only different parts. Right or not? So, from one place to another place you can go, sir. That is hyperlink. But if you observe it here, the link should be given. The hyperlink should be given to some text. It is given to some text, right? And that is called hypertext. What it is called? Hypertext. Yeah. Now, let's check. Huh? Someone said something? Just now only someone said, right? Okay. Now, let's go here. Sir, any text which is having a link, any text which is having a link that can take you to somewhere is called as hypertext. So our website goal is to put that hypertext, sir. Okay? Clear, ma? Is it clear? Yeah. Now let's more. Markup. Now, see, they just wants to give some funny one. Okay? The markup is just like showing one. Okay? Whatever you want to show it, you can able to do with some markup. How many of you know Word documents? Raise your hand. Again, I am asking the same question. How many of you know Word document, MS Word? Down there. Good. Raise the hands who did not lift the hand. I can see some people. Seriously, some of the people don't know what is MS Word. There will be always one of your friend, Ray. One friend who points to another one. Why? Chhod do na? Okay. Now, anyway. Sir, point is, why I told this MS Word is, when you write some context in MS Word, you will do mark. Like you can make some text bold. You can make some text italic. You can make it underline. Right? Colors you can give. Sir, that is what HTML is for, sir. The Word document, if I want to do whatever the things for Word document, same thing I want to do for web document. That's what the HTML mark is. Clear? Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now let's write it. Now in this HTML, you have so many tags. P tag will be there, HTML tag will be there, EM tag will be there, buttons will be there. Don't worry, we'll discuss line by line, one by one. Just I'm saying which how you will achieve by different tags. Okay? Now, let's write some HTML. You don't need to write it. I will just show you later. Now, after HTML, sir, okay, you just neatly wrote something. Will it be good? No. You need to give some colors now. Right or not? Sir, once you did your project, you have to make some colors. You have to give a nice design, nice borders, right? Spacing, right or not? Fonts. So this all done by some pages called style sheets. What are they? The technology provides the style sheet is called CSS. What is that? What is CSS means? Excellent. So before the versions, before CSS, HTML only used to do, HTML people only has to do CSS also. That means inside the HTML only they used to build for CSS they used to go with different technologies. But now one dedicated technology built CSS and we are in version 3 of CSS. CSS 3, which is a standard version actually. Now, next. Sir, CSS can done so many things, sir. Let me go here and let me do it some practically. Okay. Now, let's go here only. Do you know this inspect, sir, anyone? For the people who don't know, let me teach you these things. This will be very interesting. Today you can do this all. Now, first, go to any websites which you like, sir. Okay. So let me go to again. Insta is not a website. Insta is a web app for the people who don't know, right? It's an application which is inside your browser, which is web app. Now, any celebrity name? Okay. Shh. No more fan arts. Happy. No fan arts. Okay. Happy. Everyone choose this guy. Now, now, see, guys. Celebrity doesn't mean heroes or cricketers or politicians. Go with someone who can teach you something, like not someone like some Abdul Kalam or someone. Okay, now I think half is over. Now someone wake up. See, now see, sir. Okay, this guy's website. Now let me teach you. First, go to any website, sir. Anything you wish. Right click on your mouse. Right click on your mouse, and you can see one option called inspect, sir. What is that? Inspect. Sir, if you click on inspect, you will get the code of website, sir. Let me click on this. Okay. Now this website code came now. Here arrow is there, right? Can you see this? Here arrow is there. See, here one arrow is there. Now click on this arrow there and select any particular part of the website. Now let me click on it, and I'm selecting this. Okay. Or you can select whole body also. Okay. Now here I will go. Here I will give background color red. Okay. You can give whatever it is. You can make it however you like it using this inspector. Right click on it. Inspect. Where is this inspect? Inspect. Now again, let's go here. Select everything. Now I can make pink. It looks worse actually. Now, sir, the point is so simple, sir. I can give colors to anything here. Not only colors, I can give text fonts, I can give font size, I can give anything which you feel to give it in styling. Borders I can give. This is all about CSS. Now let me select. Sorry? As someone is asked something, right? What? Saddam Hussein, you want? You know who is that guy? Arey, he is some dictator, bad guy, okay? For the people who don't know, I'm just telling it. Now, let me give it something like color, red. Sir, my point is, you don't need to learn what is that now. But my point is, understand how powerful CSS is there, right? Did you get it? And you can go to any website and you can play with this. I want you to first experiment. Okay. Think it like your experiments only. Now, sir, now understand it. If I refresh this page, what will happen? Will this pink will be there? You know why? Why? Because, sir, the moment you refresh, again, the client will go to server and it will ask server, give me the website. And server will give without backup. Right or not? If there is no server concept, automatically pink will be pink only. Right? For example, you have one file, PDF file. How many times you refresh, it will be pink only if you make it pink. Why? Because it is not asking server. But this time, the moment I refresh, it will ask the server, give me the Saddam Hussein site, and it gave plain background and it came. But why it is useful? For you to understand it, right? Right? In coding, three formulas are there always. If you want to become a good coder, developer, always coding will be 3 steps. Any programming languages, any technologies. If you are non-IT also, this is the first simple rule. First, see someone's code. Don't build on your own. This is what most freshers do. The problem is freshers will just see one YouTube tutorial or somewhere something and they will just start building Amazon. Jeff Bezos will take so much time. Larry Page took months to build a Google at time. Okay. My point is there will be hundreds of developers who want to build one Amazon. And in YouTube 4 hours they will build it Amazon. So my point is don't go after that. It will take for you to absolutely one day you will build your own Amazon and I'm guaranteeing that. But don't directly go for that step. See someone's code. Someone already lakhs of developers developed some sites. See someone's code. Okay. See someone's code and spoil it. Yes, you heard it right. Spoil it, however, just now I spoiled the Wikipedia page, right? But sir, when I spoiled, I understand it like what the background color can do, what the color can do, and where it can be applied. Right? Right or not? And then see same code and develop it. Second step, after you spoiled, okay? If it is working for you, experiment, nice. If it is not working for you, just go back and download the same project again. You will get the nice first project. Okay. Now see the code and type it. Second one, you don't need to think. See, in these 2 steps, do you need to think? No. You just first step, you just experiment with someone's code. Second step, you just see the someone's code and type it. This is also developer's problem. What is mostly freshers do? They will just copy and paste it. Maybe you have seen it in some YouTube videos or something, I don't know. Yes, seniors, we all will do copy paste in our coding. Okay. When it comes to company's program, we have to do lots of codes. For that, some piece of codes we may copy paste. Okay, to improve our productivity. But if you copy paste at your start stage only, you will never learn. 4 lines. Why to copy paste? If it is 10 lines or 100 lines, see it and type it. Believe me, if you see it and type it, one day it will be fruitful. But you will not even forget it. Okay? Now last one, try it on your own. This is the last step. Sir, after doing the first 2 steps, still I can't develop it. No problem. Repeat it again 2 steps. Repeat it. One day you will do it. Okay? But my point is don't try to start it on your own first. Any doubts till now? Is it clear till now? Yeah. I hope online also, online voice breaking. Very good. I don't know what is the problem here, voice breaking. Now, let's go to, tell me any one official website which you will see mostly. Except that, because mostly I go with Amazon only. Myntra. Why boys go Myntra? No, as of I know, okay, maybe you guys like shopping. Most of the times I see women's goes that. Sir, I'm going on a website, sir, which is most people knows it, right? Now, what is that? Capital Q. ChatGPT. There is a difference between websites and a web app. We will discuss it, don't worry. Now, sir, the reason I come here, now I want to take some images. Let's go here. Let me inspect Netflix now. Now, let me go here. Let's go to one element. So again, I'm repeating the processor. I'm changing everything this time. See, inspect. First inspect. Go to arrow. Here. Only on Netflix. Select it. Now, if you see right side, sir, here you can see only on Netflix. Right or not? Sir, it is in something called H1 tag, sir. Can you see it? It is in something H1, right or not? You will see what is H1, but it is in something H1. Okay. Now, only on Netflix, only on Cutflix. Now, I am just kidding. Now, when you write it, it will come. Absolutely. But the moment you refresh, it will go away. Right? Now, okay, I want one image, sir. Let's right click, inspect. Now go to one any image. Now here, if you click on this, see, you can see that image. If I click on this, that image will come separate. You can take that image, right or not? You know that? You can take like that any image in the world. If they give permission, most of the sites they will give public, sometimes some they will not give. Okay? Sir, like this, every day when I teach you HTML or CSS, I want you to experiment with some big websites. Okay? Then you will remember it for lifetime. Now, Zomato Swiggy. I think it's a time to start this. Now, sir, website is different from web app. Website is different from web app. Website is just a sum of collection of some pages which will show you some information or which will take some information from you by forms. Okay? It's just in a sum of some pages, some link of some pages. But web app is not like that. Web app is something, an interact where you can, for example, if you go to chat or if you go to Zomato, okay, or Swiggy, or you go to any online Instagram. Instagram is not a website, sir. If you go to Instagram, you have to log in. After you log in only, you will get all the features. Right or not? And it is called web app. What it is called? Web app. And whatever you see on the surface, first one website will come, one web page will come. Sign in or sign up. That is only web. That is only website. And it leads to web app. Clear, ma? You understand, right? Yeah. So next time when I ask website, don't go with that. Now. Now you can call someone. I think voice is breaking again and again. They are saying it. I think why some people voice is clear, for some people having voice breaking. From starting it is breaking. మీకు బానే వస్తుందా వాయిస్? Okay, I think some people voice breaking is because of network problems. Because for some people it is coming correct. Okay? Check your networks, ma. Yeah, okay. దానికే పింఛన్. Okay. Okay, where are we now? We just checked and spoiling the websites, right? Yeah. Now, who started this website, sir? First, www. Sir, internet is nothing but network of networks, sir. Do you know, fun fact, internet is actually not wireless. Internet is everywhere connected with wires. You know that, right? Throughout the world, even in the seas, wires will be there. You know that, right? Cable wires will be there. Optical fibers. Anyone will have a little idea about networks will have this thing. Now, anyway, now there is one guy named Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. And he started www and he put his first website. You know how many websites are there in the world? There are more than 2 billion websites. 2 billion. 1 billion means? 1 billion means? Hundred crores. So there are 200 crores of there are 200 crores of more than that on the Surface website. Okay. Now, these websites are there now. Now, but still, the first website, the Tim Berners-Lee started, right? The first website. Did you ever see that? Let me show you the first website which started in internet. And let's play with that first. Now, there is nothing play with that actually. InfoCern first project, if you type, you will get it. InfoCern first website. Or you can also write it, sir. If you forgetting it, World Wide Web project. Write it World Wide Web project. This is the official one. World Wide Web project, sir. If you type it, you will get that is info.cern.ch and all. This is the first website, sir. See what is there in it, right? You can create it on your secondary, right? But the problem is, this is what they did it with their own work. They built it without having any knowledge about the networks. The technologies didn't implement at that time that much. And he made it live. Okay. Now, if I inspect it here, sir, whenever you are inspecting it, you will have two options. One is view page source, one is inspect. Inspect is used for only one particular parts. Those are called developer tools. You can even press view page source, you will get whole code only. If I write view page source, then you will get the whole website code. If I type this, if I copy this code and paste it in my system and then run it, I will get that website code. Any website, it will work. Okay? But for static sites, okay? When backend is connected, database is connected, dynamic one, you can't do that. Okay? Is it clear? Yeah. Now, let me go here, sir. Let's just make it something nice, sir. Because this guy is not having any designs. So, now let's go here. I selected whole body, sir. Background color, sir. You can put whatever the colors you like, sir. Okay. I'm going with aqua, which is not great. What about cyan? Okay. My taste is itself bad. LS blue. Okay. Sir, the color you select will reflect, sometimes the colors reflects your characters. Okay. And the users will feel different kinds based on their eyes. Okay. So color should be something light and good. Now, anyway, let's start it, sir. Let's go to our journey. Next page. You can give colors, you can give fonts, you can give font sizes, you can give so many things using CSS, sir. CSS is just for styling. Okay. Now, let's go to JavaScript. Now, next one. Sir, in one button is there. In your website, one button is there. If you click on the button, for example, in Netflix, if you click on the button, the video will play. Right? Or it will ask you to log in. Right? Sir, when you click on a button, a pop-up will come sometimes. When you click on a button, something it will route to into another page. Right or not? Sir, this all happens. That means this button will have some property. Button knows what to do whenever someone clicks. It has some functionality. What it is having? Functionality. To give this functionality, sir, we use something called JavaScript. And JavaScript is one of the most famous client-side scripting language. We use it here. And programming language, you can say it. Okay. Now, if this is what the JavaScript is used for. Okay. Now, chodo. Now, anyway, it's end of the session. Now here, Everyone should download Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. Everyone downloaded, sir? Raise your hand if you did not download the Visual Studio Code, ma. Not, I said. Okay, good. So you guys download it. How to download, sir? Go to Google, type code dot Visual Studio Code studiocode.com. You will have one option, sir. Download for Windows. Okay. The moment you click on it, it will automatically download you the file, and that file you can able to, once you get the file, you can able to take that file, sir, and that file you can able to install. Once you install it, you have to click on next and all. I think I showed you in the previous class, right? For the people who did not see that also, it's not a big deal. So simple. Just download it and then try to install it. You will get it. Okay, ma? After you install, sir, after you install Visual Studio Code, let me write it. Let me show it to you. VS Code welcome screen. You will get a welcome screen like this, sir. Sir, you will get similar page with the clarity. You will get the similar page in your Visual Studio Code, sir. Now, all you have to do is, you don't need to do anything. Just cancel them. Here and here, you can cancel them. You don't need to use anything. Now, on the left side top, you will have file option. Left side top, you will have file option. Now, that's where you have to create your files. Okay. First, what is the first procedure? Go to your desktop. Let me create one file, sir. Let me go to here, one file. Okay, sir. Yesterday I created dummy, sir. Right? Now here, let me delete it, dummy. Now again, let me create it here. Folder. What's the name? Headache. Happy? Clear? Huh. Now, actually, programming is not a headache, so I'm just changing it. Now, fun. Okay. Now, sir, you named it whatever you like it. Okay. Now, once you name it, sir, if you go here, let me open it VS Code in different ways. Sir, I will open VS Code in different ways, sir. I want you to understand all. First, I opened empty folder. Any doubts? Right click, sir. Right click on any folder. You will have here show more options. You will have here open with code. Can you see it? Open with code. Sir, you may get, you may not get it also. You know why? Because when I'm installing yesterday, I told you to check these two boxes. If you did not check them, you will not get this option. Okay? This is one option, sir. If you go to any folder, you can just click on open with code, you will open it. Any doubts, ma? No. Normally, how people will do, sir? They will go to Visual Studio Code first, and then they will go to file. In the file, open folder, and then they will select the folder. Where is my folder? Desktop. Fun. Open it. Here, you can click on open with code, sir, or you can click on this, sir. Any doubt? Let me show you third one, and it is most interesting one. This is what I want you to learn. The third one. Okay. See, in the first day only, don't create something bigger things. Think about small ones. I will show you one interesting things also today. Now, where are we? Okay, we are doing fun opening now. Now let's open fun, sir. Now here on top, On top, path will be there, na? Select that path, sir. Type CMD. What does CMD mean, sir? Oh, command line prompt. You all know that command line prompt? Okay. It will open command line prompt in that folder, sir. In that folder. Sir, I hope you all know basic Linux commands. You know that? Let me teach you. Okay. Speedy, you know that? Anyway, we'll do it, don't worry. Now, the command which I want to tell you guys, that much fun it is. Now, anyway, see it here. I open this link, right? Then type code. What is that? Code space. Online, can you hear me? Not hearing. Yeah, you can't hear my voice because still now I'm muted. Now, online, the process is so simple, ma. One more time, na? Okay. Now, go here. Where is this? Yeah. It will be practice for you guys. Go to any folder. Click on CMD. Obviously, command prompt will be open. People are already bored. Why to tell that? Now, you will type it here. Code space dot. Sir, dot means present directory, sir. It will open the present path where it is. Clear? Everyone clear, ma? Very good. Now, let me teach you some more things. Screen is not sharing properly. Now, I can't do anything. Now, sir, just a bit. Okay. You can stop laughing, right? I don't know why I'm laughing now. Sir, it is recording way. Not good. Now, sir, we can have a week. What is 1 second? 1 second, I will repeat. 1 second, I will repeat. Okay. हाँ हो गया okay. See, let me tell you one interesting thing. I think this is one of the trick I play to wake you up all. Okay, believe it, right? Yeah, believe it like that. Now, everyone woke up now. That means you are sleeping. Okay. Arey, why to make it stand from the it's HTML class. Now, anyway, sir, what if I want to create a folder inside a folder? What if I want to create a folder inside a folder? This also I will do multiple things, multiple views. See here, I will create one folder, sir. Here, let me create one folder. Fun2. How to do it again? Here, first one is for 5. First one is for 5. Second one is for folder. Second one is for folder. Let's create one folder, sir. For Fun2. Now a folder will be created, sir. Not a big deal. But people will not do easy way, right? I like to do some hard ways. Let's go here. Let me click on dot terminal. Dot terminal. So here new terminal will open, sir. A new terminal will open. Now inside this new terminal, you can enter any of your Linux commands. Now, as a web developer, sir, you need to know basic Linux commands. I will teach you. Now, first, which folder I am in? Fun, right? If you want to know which folder you are in, you can see in this fun folder, any file is there. If you want to know, for example, in this one file is there, file.txt. Some text file is there. Okay. Now, if I want to see what files are there, first command is ls. What is it, sir? ls. ls will give you list of files which is there in your command. Which are there in your particular directory. Okay. Always remember, sir. Sir, this is not HTML. Basic skills you need before HTML. You need to know what are these commands. ls means it will give you list of all files in particular folder. Now, sir, if I want to create a folder, mkdir. What is that? mkdir. mkdir means make directory. mkdir means make directory. Let me create it. mkdir fun2. Sir, can you see left side fun2 created, sir? Can you see that? Sir, you can remove it also. rmdir. rmdir fun2. Usually, if it is empty, it will delete. Only if it is empty, it will delete actually. If it is happy file, it's a big process. Okay? Till now, any doubt, sir? No? I want you to know one more thing. If I go here, cd, let me create one more fun2 again. Oh, sorry. mkdir, fun. Now, sir, where I am in part C? I am in fun. I am in fun. I want to go to fun2. How to go? cd. What is cd means? Change directory. cd means change directory. Sir, I am in fun, sir. I want to go fun2. cd fun2. Then I will go inside the fun2. See? Can you see it, path, sir? Sir, I am in fun2 now. I want to come out of the fun2. cd dot 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 dot. One dot means correct direction. Two dot means outside. Okay? That's it. That's it. Only these four things you have to remember. mkdir, cd, cd dot dot, rmdir, ls. These things you have to remember it, sir, because in your future it will be useful for you. Any doubt, ma? Now, one more thing you need to remember is clear. If you do clear, automatically it will clear, sir. Now, sir, you may think it is CLS now in Linux. Yes, because I am using PowerShell here. If I use command prompt, let me go here. Here I can select whatever I want. There are so many. Till now you are thinking that CMD means only command prompt. Huh? Actually, there are so many CMDs. One is command prompt. By default, it will have something called PowerShell. Now, if I go to CMD, if I write clear, it will not work. Here, CLS will work. Okay? That is the basic CMD command prompt. Now, you can select as many as you like. Till now, any doubts, ma? Till now, any doubts? Is it clear, everyone? Last ones, is it clear? No, sir. Raise your hand, ma. If you say the answer, have the cup to raise. Come on, I won't hate you, Ray. Who is that? My point is, if you really don't understand, raise your hand. I will explain it again. Clear? Your wish. Now, okay. Where is this? Yeah. They are just pranking. I understand it now. First time people will believe it. Second time, no, something is wrong. Third time, pakka wrong. Now, that's how we work, like boys, right? Yeah. Now, anyway, sir, the most important things I want you to remember is so simple. Download and install Visual Studio Code. Sure. Okay. And then after, learn basic Linux commands. Okay. Create one folder. Create. Now, last and few important things, sir. Inside your Visual Studio Code, there is one thing called extensions. What is that? Extensions. See, sir, here extension is there. Right or not? Now, in this extension, sir, this is why we prefer Visual Studio Code, because Visual Studio Code will have extensions. Extensions are like plugins. It will give extra features. Do you guys know extensions? Raise your hand if you already know extension in Google Chrome. If these people search the internet, remaining people don't know extensions in Google Chrome also. Okay, what if you get an YouTube ad? In YouTube, you get an ad. What you will do? You know there are some extensions which will automatically make you not get the ad. Okay, I think you should learn basic Google, sir. I can't teach Google, but let's go here. See, sir, new here. If you write Chrome Web Store, what is that? Same like your Play Store, sir. Every browser will have their own store. One of the store is Chrome Web Store. Open the Chrome Web Store. Here you can install any of the app you like. But before installing it, again I'm saying it, this is how the people will give virus also in your systems. So install only if the extension is having more number of use, more number of downloads. Okay? Clear, ma? We will discuss it more about it, but what it will do is it will give you extra features for your Chrome. Same way, some extensions are there in my Visual Studio Code, which will give extra features to my Visual Studio Code. First one is live server. What is that? Live server. You will get first only Ritvik Dev. The guy name is Ritvik Dev who developed it. See, 42 lakh. Sorry, 4 crores 25 lakh 37,000 it is. 4 crore people downloads are there. So you can download it. Here install option will be there. If you install, automatically it will be installed, sir. Sir, how do I know whether it is installed or not? Here on the down, you will get go live like this. Can you see down? I have this go live because I installed it. Clear, ma? Everyone should install live server. Everyone should install live server. Now, after live server, now, next one. Everyone should install Prettier. Not prettier, Prettier. Prettier will make your code looks good. Okay? Because sometimes after we did much code, we feel it like our code we only don't understand. Okay? It will make you understand easily. Prettier, code formatter. I will tell you how to use that, how to do our first HTML program. Tomorrow we'll do that. Everyone should install this. Okay? Live server, sir, and Prettier. So what are the tasks we have to do today? Install Visual Studio Code. Create folder. Open the folder. Install live server. Install live server. Okay. Let me go with VS Code. Folder. Live server. Prettier. And any one website, play with it. Take any one website, change the colors or background colors or do something. Go with check, inspect. Check, inspect. I'm trying it. Because, sir, when you do it, you will get new doubts. When you get new doubts, you can come to me. We will discuss more. Clear, ma? Any doubt? No. Online, any doubt? Online, any doubts? No. Okay, I hope it's clear. So tomorrow, sir, even though again I'm small thing, how much technical gap you have? Okay, how many whatever the background you come from, whatever how much knowledge you have, it doesn't matter. Only matters is your English matters, sir. No, not only English, your communication skills matters. How you communicate with the people is matters. Okay, if you communicate well, obviously, especially boys, we have to communicate well to sustain, right? Okay, no one see our pretty smile. Then after after we communicate well, you have to be confident, sir. I think in first class I gave you this tip. Again, I'm saying you this tip, sir. If you starting if you are starting to speak, sometimes it is our problem to, we won't get the words right. That happens to be even the English folk guys also. Even the people who have the mother tongue also can't speak sometimes, right? And that's what you will do, make it as an action. Silent. Are you getting my points? See, when I'm speaking, I'm giving gaps, right? When I'm giving up, you won't think it that this guy forgot the things. Okay. If I give two gaps, it may have. Whenever I'm speaking, I will give a little gap. In that gap, think and I will give. Instead, if I say it like, no. If someone asks you your name, my name is that is no. My point is there is nothing bad. You are trying it, but instead of trying it, go with my name is. That's it. You are just silent. Are you getting my point, ma? This is one of the useful tip. Right. And second one, sir, by the time your course completes, it would be peak of the month. Okay, for the people who knows it, they will understand it. By end of Jan, almost most of the companies start to hire. Okay. Now today only prepare your resume, push it into all your whatever the sites Naukri and all, and they have to check your resume. They have to call you. You have to go for interview, get the job, get the appointment. It will take minimum 1 month. By the time your course will be completed, don't wait it until okay. Once a course will complete, I will start going the job. No, that is waste. Only people who wants to waste the time they will do it. Learn the basics and jump to the river. You will learn the swimming absolutely, or you will die maximum. It's not a big deal, right? No, that's how life should go, right or not? If you learn all the basics, wearing the swimsuit, going inside, it doesn't give you anything. Okay? Yeah, that's it. I'm just wrapping it up. Thank you all. Online, you can mention it. Any doubts? వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు అంటున్నారు ఇప్పుడు.
తీసుకొని ఇక్కడే మొత్తం రాయొచ్చు.